Today's Southern Gardening is in the Garden District of Natchez, Mississippi, visiting the grounds of historic Oak Hill Inn. Let's take a look at a few unique features in the landscape.
I love the sounds of running water, and the symmetry of this fountain adds to the effect. The flat pads of the water lilies give the pond an exotic feel. The water lilies bloom in a variety of colors, including pink and yellow flowers. Lining the brick edges is one of my favorite grasses, liriope. It creates a softer edge grown against brick hardscapes. In the late summer, the lavender flower spikes add a touch of color. The color blue is definitely the theme for this gorgeous signpost. The blue dawn moonflowers seem to glow as they open and close each day depending on the sunlight. And to finish up, the mass planting of Blue Plumbago provides a solid base. This uncommon Cherries Jubilee Allamanda has sweetly fragrant and funnel-shaped flowers. The cherry sorbet colored flowers are 3 inches wide and have deep burgundy throats. This tropical vine will quickly scramble up a trellis when grown in the full sun. The second fountain features a patinaed cherub figure surrounded by a green-themed garden. The stars are the backdrop of exotic King Tut Papyrus with a half circle of spicy chartreuse yellow Wasabi Coleus in the front.
I really like visiting these fine gardens and landscapes and learning a few new plants along the way. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.